Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys the easy way by which you can convert your WhatsApp number to URL web link. What this simply means is that if you convert your WhatsApp phone number to URL web link, it make it easy for people to click on the link and connect to your WhatsApp direct without even save your phone number before searching for you on WhatsApp. So this is a very simple trick, and all you have to do is to watch this step by step in this video and see how you can actually get it done. So guys, before we start today's practical class, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell icon. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like button. And if you have any further question about the tutorial, put your question in the comment section down below. So let's get today's practical started. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to click on my WhatsApp. Now, when we click on my WhatsApp, you can see this is how it's going to open up. Then the next step you have to take is to click on these three dots at the top here. So when you click on the three dots at the top, the next step you have to take is to click on Business Tools. Okay. Now, when you get to this point, when you get to this point, you have to scroll down. Then at the bottom here where you see short link, click on it. So when you see short link here, then you can easily click and hold down just to copy. So when you copy, you can send it to anybody, or you can as well use it to run Facebook advertisement or Instagram advertisement. So whoever click on this link is going to automatically connect to you on WhatsApp. Okay. So another method by which you can share this link is to click on share link. Then when you click on share link, you can share it to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook feeds. You can share it to your WeChat. You can share it to LinkedIn. So whoever click on the link, it will automatically link to your WhatsApp without saving your phone number on their mobile phone before they can communicate with you on WhatsApp. So, but these features here, it only work for a business WhatsApp. So if you are using a business WhatsApp, this tutorial is going to really helpful. But for those who does not use a business WhatsApp, I have made a video on how you can do the same for personal WhatsApp. All you have to do is to check the playlist of this tutorial and see how you can actually convert your normal personal WhatsApp number to web link URL. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting content about WhatsApp tutorial. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.